This is GMX Blueberry Club in 1 minute. GMX Blueberry Club is a collection of 10,000 blueberries, each with a unique set of hand-drawn traits, ranging from police outfits and punk rockers to the devil. GBC is a true DeFi NFT with a constantly growing treasury that is used to farm on the GMX platform in order to create additional value for NFT holders. In addition, the GMX team will distribute 5,000 staked GMX tokens to GBC holders every month, meaning that holding a Blueberry Club NFT can make you some passive income. Additional features include an online store that will allow members to customize their Blueberry with additional features and styles, and Blueberry merchandise that will be available with discounts given to holders, as well as Blueberry Club parties, which will be exclusive meetups for GBC members. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about GBC. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.